Not easy at all. I try my best. I do my job.
Do you still want to be with her?
I want to be with her.
Do you want to be with him?
Of course I want to. I just used Eric as a tool. Not for nothing. I just used him as a tool. All right? Just because I wanted him to feel the way I felt when he messed around.
You had no feelings about Eric?
No, I love him. I love him to death, like a relative, like a friend. Okay?
And how long has Eric been in your home now?
10 years.
Oh, so he's been...
10 years. We took him in. He was.
So he's almost like a son.
Yeah.
Almost, but he's not a son.
Yeah.
Was.
You have to understand why this happened.
Shut your mouth.
Shut my mouth, okay? You should have did that.
Shut your mouth.
You should have did that
Your
when your head
talking's
was on the
done.
waitress's
I'm gonna
lap.
take care of my business.
All right? You should have did the same thing. Okay?
I'm gonna take care of
No, you leave this boy alone. Okay? This boy was
And
trying
now
to be a man,
Molly,
you're not being.
who is your daughter and your stepdaughter, Molly here, you say you care about Eric. So you're hurt because Eric, first of all, cheated on you.
Yeah.
How long have you been with him?
For almost a year.
A year. So
Yeah.
you've been sleeping together
Yeah.
for a year. All right, well, let's meet a very busy young man. Here's Eric.
Come on, you want to be a man enough to sleep with her? Me!
Remember this
Come
like
on.
It's all my fault.
All your fault.
Calm down. Please calm down. Mom.
You know what I went through when I lost my mom.
Please calm down.
And you're doing it to me again? You know that she was the only one I had once Mommy died.
Wait,
You
look.
know that.
God.
And not only doing it to me, you're doing it to Daddy? You're going to do it to my dad? You're going to play me dirty with my stepmom.
Listen.
No, you're going to listen to me.
This is all my fault.
No, really, Sherlock.
Look, look,
Where'd you put
please
the
listen to
scarf
me.
on?
Please calm down and listen.
Calm down. Calm down. This is me calm right now. You know what I'm capable of doing. You know. You know what?
Please calm down.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. You know what? It's better on the other side.
Oh.
What? What are you going to do? What?
I deserve that too.
You were there. You saw my mom in the
please.
casket.
Please
You
listen.
saw her. And you're doing this. You're making me lose my mom all over again.
Okay.
You gave me a little bit of soul.
Please, come on.
And
We
you're
have to
stealing it
calm this
away
down.
from me
Mark,
again.
what do you want to say to Eric,
Molly,
Mark?
step away, please.
Go for it, Daddy.
Come here. Listen,
Come on, be a man. Be a man, baby.
Get over here. Listen, please. Get over here.
Be a man.
It's all my fault.
It wasn't his
It's all my
fault.
fault.
Stop it! Look what you did there! Stop it! Stop it! Look what you did!
It's your fault.
It's your fault!
Your fault.
You started this!
You did.
You started it! You betrayed me! You betrayed me!
All right.
I'm sorry, Jerry. I'm sorry.